Today I am going to tell a video about first in the world. Who is the first in the world in every field? The first person to reach Mount Everest, Sherpa Tenzing Edmond Hillary. The first person to reach North Pole, Robert Peary. The first person to reach South Pole, Amundsen. The first religion of the world, Hinduism. The first country to print book, China. The first country to issue paper currency, China. The first country to commence competitive examination in civil services, China. The first president of the USA, George Washington. The first prime minister of Britain, Robert Walpole. The first governor general of the United Nations, Trygve Norway. The first country to win football World Cup, Uruguay. The first country to prepare a constitution, USA. The first Governor General of Pakistan, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The first country to host NAM Summit, Belgrade, Yugoslavia. The first European to attack India, Alexander the Great. The first European to reach China, Marco Polo. The first person to fly aeroplane, Wright brothers. The first person to sail down the world, Magellan. The first country to send men to the moon, USA. The first country to launch artificial satellite in the space, Russia. The first country to host the modern Olympic, Greece. The first city on which the atom bomb was dropped, Hiroshima, Japan. The first person to land on the moon, Neil Armstrong, followed by Edwin E. Aldrin. The first shuttle to go in space, Columbia. The first spacecraft to reach on Mars, Viking 1. The first women Prime Minister of England, Margaret Thatcher. The first Muslim Prime Minister of a country, Benazir Bhutto, Pakistan. The first women Prime Minister of a country, Mrs. S. Bandanaik, Sri Lanka. The first women to climb Mount Everest, Mrs. Junko Tabei, Japan. The first women cosmonaut of the world, Valentina Tereshkova, Russia. The first women president of the UN General Assembly, Vijayalakshmi Pandit. The first man to fly into space, Yuri Gagarin, Russia. The first batsman to score 3 Test century in 3 successive Tests on debut, Mohammad Azharuddin. The first man to have climbed Mount Everest twice, Naum Gombu. The first US president to resign presidency, Richard Nixon. The first in India. Now I am going to tell about who is the first in India in different sectors. The first president of Indian Republic, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The first prime minister of Free India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The first Indian to win Nobel Prize, Rabindranath Tagore. The first president of Indian National Congress, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. The first Muslim president of Indian National Congress, Badruddin Tayubji. The first Muslim president of India, Dr. Zakir Hussain. The first British Governor General of India, Lord William Bentinck. The first British Viceroy of India, Lord Canning. The first Governor General of Free India, Lord Mountbatten. The first and the last Indian to be Governor General of Free India, Chakraborty Rajagopalachari. The first man who introduced printing press in India, James Hickey. The first Indian to join the ICS, Satyendranath Tagore. India's first man in space, Rakesh Sharma. The first Prime Minister of India who resigned without completing the full term, Morarji Desai. The first Indian Commander-in-Chief of India, General Cariappa. The first Chief of the Army Staff, General Maharaj Rajendra Singh Ji. The first Indian member of the Viceroy's Executive Council, S.P. Sinha. The first President of India who died while in office, Dr. Zakir Hussain. The first Prime Minister of India who did not face the Parliament, Charan Singh. The first Field Marshal of India, SHF Manekshaw. The first Indian to get Nobel Prize in Physics, C.V. Raman. The first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna Award, Dr. Radhakrishnan. The first Indian to cross English Channel, Mihir Sen. The first person to receive Gyanpid Award, Sri Shankar Kurup. The first Speaker of Lok Sabha, Ganesh Vasudeb Mavlankar. The first Vice President of India, Dr. Radhakrishnan. The first Education Minister, Abul Kalam Azad. The first Home Minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The first Indian Air Chief Marshal S. Mukherjee. The first Indian Naval Chief, Vice Admiral R.D. Katari. The first Judge of International Court of Justice, Dr. Nagendra Singh. The first person to receive Paramveer Chakra, Major Somnath Sharma. The first person to reach Mount Everest without oxygen, Sherpa Angad. The first Election Commissioner, Sukumar Sen. The first person to receive Magsaysay Award, Acharya Vinoba Bhave. The first person of Indian origin to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine, Hargobind Khurana. The first Chinese traveler to visit India, Pai Yan. The first person to receive a Stalin Prize, Saifuddin Kichlu. The first person to resign from the Central Cabinet, Shyam Prakash Mukherjee. The first foreigner to receive Bharat Ratna, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. The first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics, Amartya Sen. The first Chief Justice of Supreme Court, Justice Adilal J. Kania. The first lady to become Miss World, Rita Faria. The first women judge in Supreme Court, Mrs. Mira Shahi Fatima Bibi. The first women ambassador, Miss C.B. Muthamma. The first women governor of a state and free India, Mrs. Sarojini Naidu. The first women Prime Minister, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. The first women to climb Mount Everest, Bachendri Pal. The first women to climb Mount Everest twice, Santosh Yadav. The first women President of the Indian National Congress, Mrs. Annie Besant. The first women Chief Justice of a High Court, Mrs. Leela Sheth. The first women pilot in Indian Air Force, Harita Kaur Dayal. The first women President of the United Nations General Assembly, Mrs. Vijayalakshmi Pandit. The first women Chief Minister of an Indian state, Mrs. Sucheta Kripalani. The first women Chairman of Union Public Service Commission, Rose Milan Mathew. The first women Director General of Police, DGP Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. The first women Lieutenant General Punita Arora. The first women Air Vice Marshal P. Bandyopadhyay. The first women Chairperson of Indian Airlines, Sushma Chawla. The first women IPS officer, Mrs. Kiran Bedi. The first and last Muslim women ruler of Delhi, Rajia Sultana. The first women to receive Ashok Chakra, Nirja Vanot. The first women to cross English Channel, Arti Shaha. The first women to receive Nobel Prize, Mother Teresa. The first women to receive Bharat Ratna, Mrs. Indira Gandhi. The first women to receive Gyanpid Award, Ashapurna Devi. Today I have given some examples of fast in India. Definitely it will help all the examiners who are preparing for so many exams. So thank you very much.